Let's talk appreciation. Did you know in Salt Lake County over the last century, 100 years, we have seen median price double somewhere between every 8 to 12 years. Yes, back in the 40s, median price was in the high 20,000s, and then in the late 50s, it was just under 60,000, and then so on and so on and so on, and now median price, depending on if you include condos and townhomes, is in the upper 600s. Can that trend continue? Well, what I will tell you is what the last 20 years has looked like. The Great Recession from 2008 to 2012 was the only time that we've seen a significant median price downturn. And in that time frame, median price went down 34%. And that crushed a lot of people. What we often forget is that 2.5 years later, by mid-2014, that entire downturn had been erased and we were at the same median price that we were at before the market crashed. And then 3 years after that, we had seen median price go up about 30 more percent. And fast forward to today, median price is almost double where it was when we came out of the recession. So real estate's a long game. And if you look at it that way, you can bank on the last 100 years telling us that pricing will double every 8 to 12 years. We might get in a little funk for a few years, but then it continues up. If you average it out, we are typically seeing 7 to 8% average appreciation. Here's what most people don't pay attention to. That appreciation is often power packed into the second quarter of any given year. Yes, we're a seasonal market. And so if 2025 is going to appreciate, let's say 10%, it's highly likely we see 7 or 8% of that appreciation from February until July, or really condensed into that second quarter, which would be April, May, and June, in that 90-day period. Now, I know a lot of people wait until spring to buy, but those that shop and kind of wait for the right house to come along year after year after year are often losing somewhere between 5 and 7% of purchasing power when they wait. And we see this year in and year out. There's only a couple of years in my entire career that there would be an exception to that rule. So, once again, when's your best opportunity to negotiate the most and get the best price in Salt Lake County right now? It's over the next 60 to 90 days. It truly is. We're going to educate you here at Utah Cribs so you make an educated decision when it comes to your real estate.